Good morning, everybody, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. I got my new phone, Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. I'm so excited to have this. I think it's been a while since I upgraded my telephone. My last telephone was Samsung S8, and now AT&T came up with this S21 Ultra 5G. I got a very good deal on it. I traded in my phone and I got $800 worth of credit towards the new telephone. So this telephone ended up costing me about $400, which is not bad. So let's go ahead and open this. Samsung. Wow, here's the phone. It's big, and this is my old phone, and this is the new one. It brings all these cameras and stuff, and I heard really good reviews about these cameras. I hope they live up to expectation. I'm excited. Really nice phone. I like it. A little bit heavy, you know, compared to this phone, which is really light. This is heavy. And let's see what else it brings. I like this thing to open up the SIM. I guess I could pull it all the way. So AT&T, personal cloud, terms and conditions, blah blah blah. And let's see. Charging cable. I hope there's a C cable. Yes, great. This is a C cable, so I don't need anything new. So where's the wall charger? Did they send a wall charger with this? I guess not. So are they going stingy now and sending charges and stuff? So let's start up this bad boy. To me, it's a little bit heavier, I think, because of the cameras. Plus, you know, when you touch over here, you feel that camera touch. I think this phone was more easy to carry than this one. So the language is English. I have no choice but to read and agree with everything. If not, I don't know, it would be possible to go any further. So next, the phone is going to do upgrade, and it comes with almost 58% battery that is charged. So now here's an important feature on how to do the data transfer. You have to be on the same Wi-Fi network, and on your old device, you know, it says connect to the same Wi-Fi network that this device is on, then download and open AT&T mobile transfer. So I'm going to go and search on my old phone if I have that. Since we have that set up, guess I'll take this off. So it is transferring right now. It says 5 minutes to go. We see how that process goes. Bring your old data for quicker setup. Bring your settings contact. Yes, let's do that. open up Swart switch on my old device, so let's do that. Smart switch. So it would keep on transferring it. As you can see, there's a error that shows as downloading. Once that error is done, it means the transfer is complete. So it transferred everything over. These are all my apps that I have. So let's first install the camera protective guide. So this is the dust absorber. The microfiber and the wet wipes. So step one is use the wet wipes and clean up the camera lens. Then use the microfiber to dry it out. Now all you gotta do is you take it like that, you open it, and the next step is you take it and place it carefully on top of the camera lens. Make sure you align everything really good. Once you have it right, put it on and secure it. And that's how you install this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove nicely clean. Now we're going to use the microfiber to dry it out. And take the screen protector and you're going to see what part goes on the top. So this part goes on the top. So remove this. Careful, take this. We align with the circle over there, just like that. Once we have that, take it and we just make sure. Once you put the screen protector off, you can use this tool to mark the fingerprint area. And like I said, I bought the transparent one. So and here's my new telephone, all secure. All I gotta do is to change the SIM card on it.